My name is Pratik Naik, and I am an editorial and commercial retoucher. So the type of work that I usually do is stuff like commercial projects like advertising, billboards, brands, editorials, fashion magazines. The reason why we're calling this Photoshop for photographers is at the moment there's nothing really out there that encompasses what photographers want to learn in a 101 Photoshop course.
We wanted to make a tutorial for the Photoshop beginners, something someone new to the software could pick up and learn. But in doing so, we found that this content is valuable for experienced users as well. Understanding the fundamentals of this program is something every user can benefit from.
We were really intentional with what we kept in this tutorial because everything included is what you need as a photographer. With this tutorial, I actually made everything easy to understand. From the hardest principles and concepts like the pen tool to the simplest things like the layers, everything becomes easy to follow. The reason why this course is better than anything else you can get online because it has everything there for you from start to finish. There's no hunting or seeking. You don't have to go through and look up tutorials online for specific tools. Everything is there categorized for you. And because it's in video, if you ever forget something, you can always come back and look at it again. This tutorial is for every photographer out there. I feel like if you understand the fundamentals of Photoshop, you can really take your business to the next level. It's easier to learn Photoshop today than it was 10 years ago because you have people like me who went through the grind to find all this information, put it in a package, and allow students to learn in a way that becomes really efficient. The fundamentals are really important for photographers because you can learn a lot of techniques when it comes to Photoshop, but you need to understand the core basics in order to think outside the box. Because if you think about it, the people who are making amazing images already have a great understanding of the fundamentals. Without understanding how Photoshop works, you can't develop your own style. Even if you don't intend on being a photographer and you want to get into retouching, this will be the first step in order to master Photoshop. There's over 20 sections in this tutorial, making it very easy for people to take it at their own pace. It doesn't have to be frustrating anymore. I've taken the last 15 years of knowledge and put it together into one tutorial. The concepts are the core of what this program does. The principles never change.
With this tutorial, your knowledge of Photoshop and its fundamentals will finally allow you to take full advantage of the software and make the most of your images.